Hi there, Lisa Rana here, and welcome to another Assemble This video. Today's card is all about coloring this fall scene with Copic markers for a really cute Thanksgiving card. I'm featuring the Change Can Be Beautiful stamp set from Unity's Stamp Company. There's so many cute little images in this set and lots of great scripty sentiments as well. I've already started out with my card kind of pre-done. I've done a bit of masking, actually a lot of masking. I started with the two acorns in the front, masked those, stamped the two pumpkins on the side, masked those, and then the pumpkin in the back. Last, I stamped the acorns on the side after everything was all masked off. So I'm just going to create this card to a bit of music with some Copic coloring, and then I'll build up the background and the whole card as well. So watch along to the music, and I hope you're inspired by the process of creating this card. the finished card, all colored in using Copic markers to match the fallish pattern papers. Lots of masking to layer up these cute little images, and I left a little acorn in the center of the bow at the bottom of the card. I'll have all the supplies linked in the description of this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it. If you have any questions or sweet comment, post below. I love to read each and every one. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye!